Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down and tap on display and brightness. And as you can see here, we've got the option auto screen off, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 30 minutes applied, this option is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, in order to check that you do not have to tap on this option because it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.